morning children, I am Ramya, your science teacher of Kakatiya Public School. I am here with the revision video of our topic, our earth and its neighbor. So what we have discussed in the topic about earth, sun, moon and stars. So earth, how it is and what is there on the earth and how we are able to survive on the earth, that all we have discussed in the topic. So today I am with the revision video, next we will be coming the exam on this. So on earth life is possible. How it is possible on earth? Because we can find air, water and food. Okay, so the earth is surrounded by a layer of air. Okay, by layer called air, and earth is one of the third planet. One of the third planet in solar system. Okay, and so how the shape of the earth we have studied? It is spherical in shape. It is spherical in shape. And some astronauts proved that earth is round in shape. How it is round? And I told you that one of the astronaut, he started at one point and traveled all over the places and again reached to the original position. That means why this we came to know that earth is round in shape. And it is, if you observe a boat sailing on a water, it will be going in the water. If you observe, it is showing some movements like curve movements. By this we can understand that earth is also in round shape. And it is finally after many experiments, they proved that earth is round in shape. And coming to the movements of the earth. So earth shows two types of movements, that is rotation and revolution. These things I explained to you about with the activities. Yes, I hope you all understood those activities, right? Earth will be moving around itself. On an imaginary line called axis. That bangle activity I have shown you. Okay, while spinning that bangle, you can see one line is passing in between. Okay, after stopping that bangle, you cannot find that line. That means it is an imaginary line on which it is spinning. So in the same way, earth also will be moving around its own axis. It's called an imaginary line, and that movement we call it as a rotation. So to rotate itself, earth rotates itself. For one rotation it takes 24 hours. That means one day. That's why we get a day and night. That is why we get the day and night. And coming to the revolution, in case of revolution, earth is rotating itself and moving around the sun. Earth is rotating itself and moving around the sun on a fixed path. This is the sun. Okay? And this is the earth. It is rotating itself and revolving around the sun on a fixed path, and that path we call it as a orbit. On a fixed path it is moving, that path we call it as a orbit. And this is causes a revolution. The earth rotates itself and moves around the sun on a fixed path called orbit is called revolution. And because of the revolution, we are getting the seasons like rainy season, winter season and the summer season. This is all about the earth and its movements. Next, coming to the sun. As you know that the light which we are getting is nothing but from the sun. Okay, sun is a natural star. It is giving the sunlight to all the planets. Okay, no planet have their own light, but they take the light of a sun. So sun is a star. It is present in the universe like a solar system. It doesn't move, and on the sun the temperature, if you see, it is 5400 degrees centigrade. It is very hot. Okay, earth is far away from the sun. Okay, it will give, sun only will be giving light to all the planets, even to the moon. That is about the sun. Next, coming to the moon. Next, coming to the moon. How earth will be rotating, how earth will be revolving. In the same way, moon also is rotating around revolving around the earth. Sun is a natural satellite of earth. Sun is a natural satellite of earth as it is revolving around the earth. And to revolve around the earth, it will take 27 days, 8 minutes. 27.8 days it will take to move around the earth. During this movement, they will be showing different kinds of shapes. That I told you about what? Like crescent, okay, quarter moon, new moon, crescent, quarter moon, new moon, crescent, first quarter moon, gibbous moon and full moon. Okay, new moon, crescent, first quarter moon, gibbous and the full moon. After gibbous again we will get the full moon. That means it will take 15 days. Again this process will be continued. Okay, so in this way moon will be changing its shapes. Okay, this is about the moon. Next, coming to the stars. Stars are the very far from, they have its own light. Stars have their own light. Moon do not have its own light. It will take the light of the sun. But stars have their own light. They are very tiny. It look very tiny because they are far away from us, from the earth. And some group of the stars will be forming few patterns called as what? Constellations. They will be forming some patterns called constellations. There are about 88 constellations we can see, like group of stars, and out of that major Ursa Major. Ursa Major is like a bear shape. Ursa Major is one of the constellation. Scorpius, Rio and Orion are few constellations we can see in the sky. And next, coming to the astronauts. Who are the astronauts? Who will be studying about the earth and its neighbors, so we call it as astronauts. And what they will do, they will give about the information about this earth and its neighbors. And first of all, Aryabhatta is one of the Indian astronaut who told that earth is spherical in shape. Later on, many scientists like Varahamihira, Others proved that it is Earth is round in shape. And if you see the planetariums are there. Okay, planetariums means nothing but we can see so onto the ceiling they will be arranging the number of like moving screen. In that you can see the Earth, planets, movements of the Earth, everything. That is called planetarium that we can see in Rajasthan, somewhere places, Jantar Mantar, Delhi, etc. We can see these planetariums. In that planetarium, this total solar system, everything will be there. You can understand that concept easily. So this is all about the revision of our Earth and its neighbors. Question paper I prepared, it is very easy. If you go through the lesson and the video properly, the activities, if you observe properly and solve the worksheet, you can do the exam very well. Till the time when this video is uploaded, go back to the content video and watch it again for the better result. Till that time, stay home, stay safe. All the best for your exam.